far as the show is concerned, we are having the show for two departments. The fashion show basically for the two departments, knitwear design department and fashion design department. However, we'll be having the different events of the various department like fashion communication department, accessory design department, textile design department, and the management and technology department. But here I would like to discuss about the show. So for the knitwear design department, it is known as the Knit Moda, which is the annual show for our graduating students. So this time the number of students those are passing out, they are 28, which includes the design graduation project students as well as the fashion show students. So 20 students, they are doing their final show. However, the 8 students will be having their final display, which and it has been the venue for that is the Novotel HICC. And I'm really proud to have see my passing out students this time, and it is the time when they showcase their talent and whatever they have learned during their academic period. For the knitwear design students, it is quite challenging, quite interesting too, because our students, they do develop the fabric as well as they do come up with the final garment construction. So they do not only construct the garment, however they start from the very fundamental which is the fiber, the fundamental of the unit of the textile, which is the fiber. And first they come up with the spinning and coming up with the different yarns, and they develop the fabrics, and finally they come up with the silhouette of the garments. And our student has gone to various industry in India, majorly to the Noida, Gurgaon, all Delhi, Ludhiana, Mumbai, Kolkata. And few of our students during this time is as well, they had participated in the fashion show. Like one of my students, she has presented NIFT in one of the talent showcase, where she had shown the garments on a theme called beachwear related garments she had showcased, and she had come up with the amazing garments. However, few students, those are localite, they have developed their work here in Hyderabad only, and they have took the various themes like Zaz, or all the Zaz is the one of the theme. One another girl, she's working on the they got inspired from the movies. They have their source of inspiration is the nature, their source of inspiration is the all geography, climatic condition and all, and they too take the inspiration all around within the surroundings, and they had come up with the amazing products. Not me, all the jury members who had come from the industry and all, they had really appreciated the work of our students. And it's a proud moment for our students. They are passing out tomorrow, and they'll be showcasing their garments in the form of a fashion show. And each students will get the is allowed to showcase their 5 garments. I would like to wish them all the good luck for their future and career. Thank you so much.
Thank you.